Hey researchers, lab techs, and all you scientific geniuses out there. We know the struggle. You're knee-deep in experiments, and the last thing you want is to run out of yeast extract in the middle of a culture, or realize your ELISA kits are mysteriously missing. It's like the universe is testing your patience, right? But don't worry, we've got your back. At Sultan Group, we offer the very best biological reagents and assays to make sure your research doesn't come to a screeching halt. Here's what we've got to keep you on track. Yeast extract. Who needs it? Microbiologists, biochemists, cell biologists, lab technicians. Why it's awesome. Your cells won't grow without it, and we all know that means no protein production or research breakthroughs. It's like the coffee of the lab world. Essential. Proteinase K. Solution. Who needs it? Molecular biologists, geneticists, lab technicians. Why it's awesome. Digests proteins like a pro, making DNA, RNA extraction smoother than your lab partner's morning coffee. ELISA Kits. Who needs it? Immunologists, clinical researchers, diagnostics technicians. Why it's awesome. Quantify proteins, detect antibodies, and diagnose diseases, all without breaking a sweat. Well, maybe a tiny sweat. It's science after all. Mastermix. Who needs it? Molecular biologists, researchers, genetic engineers. Why it's awesome. For PCR amplification and DNA RNA analysis that's as smooth as your favorite playlist. Plus, it makes you look like a PCR wizard. DNA extraction kit. Who needs it? Geneticists, forensic scientists, lab technicians. Why it's awesome. When you need to isolate DNA fast, this kit's your secret weapon. RNA extraction kit. Who needs it? Molecular biologists, geneticists, researchers. Why it's awesome. Perfect for isolating RNA and studying gene expression. It's like giving your research a new voice. So, if you're ready to stop scrambling for reagents and start working with the best, hit us up. Sultan Group has all the lab essentials you need to make your research go smoothly. No more missing supplies or late-night panic runs to the store. Reach out today and keep your experiments flowing. Visit www.sultangroup.org or call us at 33 514 3.